In 1996, the Malaysian government initiated a massive national project called the Multimedia Super Corridor to transform Malaysia into the knowledge economy. Now, to monitor this particular project, an agency known as Multimedia Development Corporation, or MDeC, was formed. In the Multimedia Super Corridor project, there are many what we call the technology trusts. One of the key technology trusts happens to be the creative, the technology that will enable and empower Malaysians to create their own content. That is the focus of MDeC. So the whole purpose of the MDeC is to say that if a Malaysian has a good idea, they will have access to a facility which can then bring the idea from idea to concept to paper and to commercialization.
The MDeC's vision is actually to be the Center for Digital Excellence and Creativity. And what's important is to allow our content creators to access affordable content development infrastructure for them to do the magic that they need. One specific challenge that our artists and industry face is the lack of proper infrastructure for rendering. They'd have to use their own workstations to actually render the 3D and CGI files. This limits their productivity and efficiency. Artists are unable to look at their content on a real-time basis, and we needed a solution that frees up this limitation. IBM came towards a solution that married the best of their technologies and their know-how, which were the XIV system, the IDataPlex servers, and also the animation cloud services, and this was what appealed to us most. Performance-wise, XIV storage system is top of the class. Its grid-based architecture gives us enterprise-class storage performance at very low cost per terabyte. And most importantly, it's green. They're the best in terms of density, 2 to 3 times more than most of the competitors out there. The XIV storage system is a self-tuning, self-healing system. It allows us to actually make sure that the storage system is optimized. From the perspective of our customers, it essentially makes it easier for them. It takes away the complexities for them to manage their own storage needs. And the third point is data protection. Our customers are comfortable in knowing that data is protected and secure. The XIV storage systems gives an efficient snapshot mechanism for backup and recovery of all data within the storage system. The IDataPlex server is a green solution. You have a tremendous compute density at very low power consumption. The rear door heat exchanger actually cools down the data center instead of heating it up. We've got great performance in the IDataPlex servers, and this is because we have ultra-fast Intel Nehalem processors inside it, and also at the same time we have optimized memory configurations. In terms of innovativeness, the IDataPlex server hits on a new ground called GPU-based rendering. To put it all together, the software was important. Their know-how in the animation cloud services allows our users and also MDeC both to manage and access the facility easily and on time. We essentially give the power back to the artists. Artists now are able to actually render their images now on the rendering solution at really fast speeds. Another great thing about IBM's solution was that they brought know-how from around the world. They could tap expertise from any of the research labs to actually assist us in actually getting the solution forward.
Previously, we had to do our renders ourselves, right? So pretty much we had to do it overnight. So now we just send it over and they take care of it for us. And you could probably get a scene done in maybe a matter of minutes. So now we can actually just use our computers freely and not have to worry about it too much. So we can just focus on our work, the actual work.
Because we can render our files online, it has made our production more efficient, to the sense that the renderers don't need to travel out of the office. Everything can be done online. You can upload the files, you can download it as well. And that has allowed the renderers to focus on the creative part of their work.
The IDataPlex solution from IBM, for example, is a very good way by which we will participate in this whole green technology. And it's generally a universal call to try and look at better and innovative ways of trying to introduce green technology into our working environment. And we have also noticed there's a reduction in the processing time as far as rendering is concerned, for instance. And there is a very high level of cost efficiencies that were actually achieved. So all in all, we are very happy with what's going on. And I think this is the state of the art today. I'm sure that as we move along, we can create more efficiencies and generate higher productivity as we go from year to year.